snap. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, and if you're new to the vlog, consider subscribing to the channel or whatever. But if you watched yesterday's, you know we're trying to go get a new truck, and my mom lost her keys, so we're off to a slow start. As we are actually at the dealership I was talking about yesterday that we went to, but when my camera died, I couldn't do anything about it. We are here. We're actually looking to get that black Colorado. There's two now. There's a Z71 and a work truck, which there is a difference because the Z71, I think, is either Z71 or Z78, has better, like, I forgot what it's called. We actually might get this black one right here. It's a whole lot nicer than that red color and everything. It's not that bad. 68 miles on it, but it's a new truck. New truck. I guess this is a good time to say that if you're not subscribed and you're watching this, you just subscribe. I mean, just hang out with me, and I'm trying to get more subscribers. 32 is not really working out, but I'm thankful for all y'all who did subscribe. But if you're not subscribed right now and you're watching, just go subscribe for me. I don't know, because they actually got this other black one that I absolutely love. Have the wheels and everything. Still lose my voice here. Jesus! Like, see, I can imagine myself something like this. I love trucks. Trucks are good. And it's open. It's open. It's open. It's open. Oh. I can do something like this. I wish the keys were in here. If the keys were in here, this would be boss. Turn on the power. Come on. Uh-oh. I didn't expect that to work. Oh, that is cool. This touchscreen? Sure is. It's a nice truck. When the bleachers are crowded, when you're sitting all alone, when the rain is pouring, and you need something to take you home. Alright, guys, we are now actually going home. The truck is doing everything. I guess the dealership's doing everything they need to do, like with the banks and crap. I don't understand that. I really don't understand it. It goes too deep for me. I'm at a certain level, and their level's like up here. I'm like down there. There's a big difference. Well, it's a good thing when you have a firefighter in your truck. Move it. Alright, if he gets hit, no cars. It's the job of a fireman.
Oh, well, come on. Don't let it go in the light.
You ready to go, Wendy, to Neverland? Can we come in? Because we love you!
No, stop! Hey, stop! Hey, man! Vanessa! Stop!
I love absolutely how much, when Vanessa turns around, how much glitter she has on her face. I mean, I was just editing my vlog, she turns around, it's like... That just shows you how much glitter they actually had on them. I mean, they were jumping all over Sam with that glitter all over her body. They actually got me too bad I didn't get on camera, but I felt bad for her.
My toes are not on the ground. What am I doing, flying? Yeah. Superman?
One, look up!
It's like, why? So you can
Three, look up!
Hey, I can do more than her.
I hope you can do more than me. Okay.
She did 6. Oh, there.
Disappointment.
That's good.
6.
6?
I'm proud of myself.
Okay, so this vlog was kind of piece together, so I'm sorry if it was bad, but it's a quick little 5-minute vlog or so. Hope you liked it, and yeah. But I hope you liked the video. Comment, subscribe, share, do your thing. Tell me what you really want under Christmas. Tomorrow is Christmas, and just like it up. And thanks for watching.